All right, well, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and set our sag. So we've put the bike up on the center stand, and then we measured where that would be. And then we have the static, which is at 10%. And then we have our sag, which is at 30%. So we're going to go ahead and get on the bike and see what that looks like. All right, so that's just me on the bike. I do have it set at 8 clicks, so we'll have to see what that looks like. Okay, so now we're at 25. You can see we're just, so when I'm on my toes, that's where we want to be, and we're pretty close. I mean, I'm going to give it a few more clicks and we'll see what happens. One thing that's for sure is that when you have this much weight on the bike, you can see the kickstand is barely, so you really have to take some load off that and then get your load onto your left leg and keep that lean. 25, 30. Let's see what 30 does. I'm just going to settle into the bike. Still a little bit right there on the 3 of that 209. Let's just max it out and see what we got. Alright, so now we're at 35 with 80 pounds. We're pretty close. I think we've ended up in between the 3 and the mark. I don't know how much more we got, but we'll give it a few more and see what happens. I think that's it. So it's maxed out. If I keep it under 80 pounds total, I'll be okay. That includes my riding gear and everything. So that's me, plus my Panniers, everything I have, riding gear and equipment. If I keep it under 80 pounds, we'll be good. All right. So next time we do this, we're going to do it with the with everything loaded down and I'm packed up and ready to go. But currently, I think 8 or 9 is a good setting for just me riding around with just my helmet, my basic jacket and basic gear. Nothing, no panniers, no luggage, no nothing. So that was good to see. All right, later.